Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna hit 100 subscribers this time. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a lugia. If you must know, lugia is one of the famous Pokemon seen in Pokemon 2000. And he was seen in a lot of seasons and episodes where Ash fought Team Rocket as they tried to control Lugia and his offspring, like in the Orange Islands. Anyways, if you must know, Lugia is a really easy to draw character, and if you're following my steps correctly, you'll be able to see what he looks like. Just for a quick reminder, if you must know, if you're watching other drawing videos, you would have seen a Pokemon named Shadow Lugia, which does not exactly exist, actually. I mean, what kind of Pokemon is Shadow Lugia? If they did add something like that to the show, that would be an awesome Pokemon GX card. And people would be turning that into an actual movie, like Shadow Mewtwo and Shadow Lugia. It would be an awesome movie. After all, there can't be an evil Pokemon, like what Ash Ketchum said. Anyways, okay then, almost done. Now I just draw. Here's the stomach here, and here's his foot. And here is his tail. Oh, jeez. Just gonna wing it. Anyways, next up, here's his foot here. There we go. Next up, here's his thumb and his pointer finger here. Here we go. Here's his foot here. And done! Oh shoot, forgot to add the tail. Please forgive me if the paper is too small. But at least we got some of it done, right? Anyways, that is how you draw Lugia. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And basically that's about it. And I'll see you guys next time. And by the way, just for a reminder, Shadow Lugia is not a real Pokemon, people. So, don't believe what the media says. And if you want to watch Shadow Mewtwo, then purchase Pokemon Tournament.